We acknowledge that this film is being created on the lands of the Gadigal people. We pay our respects to elders past, present and emerging of this land and extend our respects to all of the lands and the people where you may be viewing this on. Hi, my name's Sandy Phillips and I'm excited that you have the device kit in your school. This video is to walk you through the kit and some of the ideas to kickstart your creativity. And we would love to hear about what you've created. So let's look in what's in the kit. The kit comes in sets of 15 or 30s with the accessories to keep them charged and operating, with an additional notebook for teachers. The kit also has a stylus, and that is there for you to explore its opportunities. You are going to need to bring your own headphones if you're going to work with media and sound. The device also allows you to work with others. Sometimes you think a single device means it's only you working on it, but it gives you a chance to connect with others and collaborate. This provides an opportunity with responsibility. The responsibility generally is to look after yourself and others and agree on the expected behaviours. You and your class may well have plans for what you want to do and how you want to use it. The most important thing to consider is, what is it that you want to do? And then think about, what do I need to explore to do this? We have provided some ideas with the resources to support you in achieving this and maybe to spark some new ideas. When you open your device, you'll see that there are two key icons. One is going to take you to the T4L resource page. The other is going to take you directly to your student portal. There may be some programs that need your parents' permission to use them. This is organised for your teacher, but it's really up to you to return that note for you to be able to use the app or program. The device is here for a good time, not a long time, and we'll move on to another school. So it's really important that you know how to access, move and store your work in the cloud. There is a checklist of skills that you'll need to consider on the Notebook Learning Library page. Why not consider using your creativity to combine music, art, words, and challenge yourself to be a filmmaker, a magazine editor, or an illustrator author? The kit gives you ideas that you can use or try out even after the device leaves your school. And you can always access the Learning Library resources. They're there for you to use. So where do you start? To get started with some of our notebook-focused student learning experiences and challenges, visit the STEM T4L Learning Library page. Remember, you can use your icons from your device homepage. Explore the resources and have fun learning.